Welcome Pamantasan and Lunsod na Marikina students to school year 2020-2021. This is the new normal in education in the time of pandemic. We have to work hand in hand. Your instructors will guide you through the lessons, and you as students are expected to help us through independent learning. The self-paced learning seems to be the alternative solution to continue your university studies. I am Mineri Nashad, a part time instructor teaching knowledge management this first semester. There is a saying that a true teacher would never tell you what to do. A true teacher would ask you questions that trigger your critical thinking and engage you in different situations to challenge your competence. That's why there is still essence why knowledge management should also be given emphasis to achieve comprehensive understanding of learning. Our objectives in today's lesson are the following: define knowledge management, summarize knowledge management and goals, and show understanding about knowledge management and organizational learning. Here is a rundown of our asynchronous activities: answer diagnostic test, read about knowledge management, answer a 10-item formative assessment, use graphic organizer in summarizing knowledge management and its goals, and compose a comprehensive review about a case study. Our first activity is to answer the diagnostic test. Please go back to our FB page, Knowledge Management, and click the link below, or you may copy and paste the URLs. There are four parts in our diagnostic test, namely error recognition, logical reasoning, paragraph development, and word analogy. Let's get started. When we were young, our parents would always tell us to learn from our mistakes because these mistakes served as a reminder of what we were before and how we could improve ourselves at present. As a result, these happen to be our learning opportunities that equip us to become better individuals in the future. But what is knowledge management? Knowledge management, according to Odell and Grayson, is a conscious strategy of getting the right knowledge to the right people at the right time and helping people share and put information into action in ways that strive to improve organizational performance. What significant words have you found in that definition? We chose strategy, share information, and action. Management in all areas or aspects is a strategy that helps boost any organization or company to be productive. Employees go through intensive training in order to achieve the expected standards. From there, they get to experience different situations in which they are able to challenge their capacities and abilities at work. Information dissemination is equally important because it becomes an instrument for the people to map their plans, do research, and implement an action plan. Therefore, our perceived notion about knowledge management is supported by this definition from the 2014 e learning glossary. It says, knowledge management is the process of capturing, organizing, and storing information and experiences of workers and groups within an organization and making it available to others. It aims to help a company gain competitive advantage. Now it's your turn to come up with your own definition of knowledge management. For our activity 1, definition, here are the instructions. Go to the FB page, click the URL to get you through the word cloud generator. Based on the reference materials about knowledge management, including some of your additional readings, write words or phrases that you can associate with knowledge management. It doesn't matter if you have repeated the words you wrote based on the definitions gathered. Screenshot the image that contains all the words that you generated. From those words, compose a comprehensive definition of knowledge management. Copy and paste the screenshot of the image from the word cloud generator to the Word document. Write your own definition of knowledge management and convert the document to PDF and send it to my messenger, Mrs. Nashad. How to use the word cloud generator? Let me share with you the simple instructions. As soon as you enter the word cloud generator, hit the file button and select paste slash type text. Write as many words as you can associate with knowledge management. Screenshot the word cloud. Paste it on your Word document and start writing your own definition of knowledge management. Convert to PDF for easy reading and send it to my personal messenger.